Hey guys, so my second video will be Jiffy mix. I'll be using to make some cornbread and some Jamaican style callaloo. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, I am Shelly. Welcome to Shell's Time Kitchen Flavor. If you're new, thank you for stopping by. If you're a regular visitor, thank you also for stopping by. Please remember to give the video a like. And if you're watching in the bushes, thank you for the support. Please remember, guys, to give the video a like. Lots of videos out on my channel. Please also check out my playlist. Thank you for stopping by and stay tuned for this quick and easy brunch or lunch recipe, which is some jiffy cornbread done like cake. It tastes just like cake when done this way, with a little callaloo on the side, or if you're American, it's Jamaican style collard greens. Stay tuned for my video and thank you guys again for your support. Cornbread recipe: a little hint of sugar, sour cream, buttermilk, tin sweet corn, 2 eggs, honey, and some Kerrygold butter, which I will be melting, which is unsalted and it is vegan butter. So I beat my eggs, I crack my eggs, I remove the yolk and I beat them. Then I used 1.5 box of the Jiffy mix. I also have a video out there where I used cornmeal and flour on my own with additional ingredients. This one, quick and easy. I used the Jiffy mix. I added my dried ingredients, which is the Jiffy mix. Then I added 1/4 cup granulated sugar. You can make this as sweet as you'd like. 2 beaten eggs. I added 1/2 cup sour cream. I added in the blended cream sweet corn. This is optional, but listen, this makes the cornbread lit and taste just like cake. I added me a little nutmeg also and a little vanilla, and I added a 1/4 cup of the buttermilk to mix this out, and then you want to just beat to get all the lumps out of this. Quick and easy. It does not take long as if you were doing this with regular cornmeal and flour. I added a little dash of allspice in this too. I did not use any salt in this. It is optional. If you want to, you can add salt. Feel free to add your salt. Quick and easy summer brunch recipe. Then I added some of the butter in my cast iron skillet and I added this in my oven, and this is like a really tiny one. Once it is melted, I removed it and then I poured my mixture in. And of course, I tasted my mixture before, because once this is baked, this is what it will taste like. So you want to just tip a finger in and to taste if it's sweet, if it needs more sugar before you add it in. I added this in my oven on the lower shelf at 350 degrees. No, your girl got some callaloo from a friend and I washed my callaloo in salt water. I added my skillet and I added a little hint of olive oil and my bell pepper, tomato, onions in this, and season along with me. For seasoning, I used Maggi all-purpose. I used some complete season, Sazon complete. I added a little hint of salt, some oregano, garlic powder, a little hint of black pepper, and that's just me. Please feel free to use whatever you choose. And of course, because your girl wanted to, I added a little bit of saltfish, also known as bacala, in mine. My cornbread is still soft. At this point, I took it out. I added some additional honey on it. It is honey butter cornbread. So I added me some honey on this, and then I added back in the oven to get an additional 15 minutes, because when I sticked my knife in it, it came out wet. So it's not yet ready. 15 minutes after it's ready, I added me some butter. It's hot. It's always good to rub the butter onto it. It will just melt away. Once I added the butter on it, I added some additional honey because it is supposed to be a honey butter cornbread. Once my butter is all melted, there goes me adding additional honey and rubbing this on. You can make this as crispy as you want. And then your girl sliced through this quickly. Fell for a quick and easy brunch. It's not always about meat. And I choose to do a quick and easy honey butter cornbread. Look at it, and let me tell you something. It tasted really, really good. It tasted lit. It tasted like cake, homemade cake, or even store-bought cake. That's how it tasted due to the ingredients that I added to this. Listen, on to the next. Please remember to give the video a like. Thank you.